As promised, folks, here we go again. We let it sit for several days. It's been raining. The homeowner is not hearing any more noises. So I'm here today to dismantle this and then get up in there and all that, the rot and the chewing and all the damage that it caused. And we're going to fix that today with carpentry repairs. So you guys tune in, take a look. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, how I fix it, and how I put it all back together to make sure nothing gets in. So here we go. Opened up. We have the rotten fascia board here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the rotten fascia board off. Then I'll cut the 2x4 off up here. Then I'm going to scab in a new 2x6 right next to this. Just screw it right on top of that, which it'll match. Then the 2x4 will have something to nail to on top. Fascia board will have something to nail to. Same thing here. I'm probably going to cut back some of this rot. Then I'll put another 2x6 on top of this. Same thing here. Cut this back, put a new 2x6 in, then put another 2x6 over the top of that, and it'll all be formed in there. And then I can commence to sealing all this off, and it should be a done deal. I'll show you in just a moment what it looks like. Beautiful. We cut the rod off, cut the 2x4 out the top, cut the other rafters here and here. We scabbed these in. These are now our new little support rafters. They're all screwed in. They're nice and solid. I could hang on all this stuff. So now all we have to do is install this, which is the fascia. And now that's on. Slide this back. Now I'll have to seal this. This is where it's going to get the wildlife comes in. I'm going to have to cut this with an angle grinder, get metal up underneath it, and then over it and into the gutter here, so water will then be able to flow over my metal and in the gutter. But now that the carpentry is done, I will show you what this is going to look like here in just a moment. Here we are with the gutters. I just installed the gutter. We installed all these hangers to hang the gutter. They're little 6-inch hangers. They clip on and they screw on, which is really good. As you can see right here, this is what I was talking about. Now the water will run down over my metal and in the gutter and then out the downspout, instead of running in this gap and causing the rotten wood. So now all I got to do is button down these last two hangers. I'll screw this into the back of the gutter. We'll silicone some edges and all that. I'll probably put a little bit of stuff in here, screen and stuff, to make sure that they don't try to get up over our metal and underneath this stuff. They most likely won't, but I'm just going to make sure, and I'll seal all that up with screen so the water can still flow through it. But that's it, man. That's pretty much what we're looking at. The gutter has a nice pitch. It's nice and got a wide gap here, a thin gap down there, so now the water will run downhill down to the thing, and that's how the gutter should be pitched. All right, there we go with the finished product. Gutter guards are on. The hole has now been covered, siliconed. The water will run into the gutters. No more leaf debris, no more rotten wood. Everything's good, so they won't be getting in this corner anymore. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm glad I finally got to show you guys some carpentry repairs. So the squirrels have been evicted, they got kicked out, carpentry repairs are all done. Roof has been cleaned off, gutters have been cleaned, gutter guards have been installed, so we're good to go now. Guys, this episode has been brought to you by Andy Anderson Trucking, Grading and Hauling. Great guy, really great family. If you guys need any topsoil, sand, gravel, fill dirt, any of those kind of things, he's a great guy. Give him a call. He's right on 6's Road on Highway 5. Just a great guy. If you guys need anything, give him a call. Guys, it's been a pleasure. I'm glad you got to check out some carpentry repairs.